What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. I got some rain that's going to be coming in soon, so I'm going to actually see about planting some carrots in some 10-gallon grow bags. So I'm going to hop right in. Okay, so here's my mix. It's compost, peat moss, perlite, and actually a little bit of the garden soil that I have. This is a huge bag. Okay. Ooh. Well, I'm gonna stop it for now because it's starting to get real cloudy out, and it's probably gonna rain here any second. So I'll be back at it tomorrow. So it wasn't a lot of rain, but it was more than I was willing to get wet for planting some carrots. So now we're gonna hop right back into it. I have a rainbow mix and just regular carrots. I'm gonna sprinkle both on each bag. So first, we'll go with the regular carrot. Super tiny seeds. And there's the rainbow mix. To me, the color's a little different. So I also sifted a little compost that I'm going to lay on the top. I have a cardboard for one bag, so we'll do kind of a little experiment, see just compost and compost in a cardboard bag, and see if we get better germination rates out of either bag. So the sifted compost is very, very thin and light. I just want to make sure that the seeds get covered a little bit, and then hopefully this will help to retain a little bit of the moisture in the soil. And if not, that's where I got the little cardboard for this other one for the experiment. Okay, so thank you for watching. We have the bag of carrots just with compost, the bag of carrots with compost, and a cardboard to hopefully help retain some more moisture. And we'll check to see in the next couple days how the germination rate is. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.